Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Animoto video editor. Let's just jump into the video now for those who don't know what Animoto is. Animoto is software that you can use to create professional looking videos, and it's pretty amazing and really easy to use, so let's go ahead. Before I sign up, I just want to say that there is a pricing plan you can use for free, so let me just show you the pricing plan and get that out of the way, and then we can move on with the video. So over here as you can. There are 4 plans. We have a free plan, a basic plan, a professional plan, and a professional plus one. In the free plan, as you can see, we don't get a lot of stuff, but we only have animating branding on our videos. In the basic one, we get all our standard features, and we have no Animoto branding. Quality video exports like 1080p videos and unlimited video downloads, and for the professional ones, it's $15 per month, which is built annually. All these plans are built, and we get no Animoto branding. Right? We can add our own logos and colors, 1 million plus licensed stock photos and videos from Getty Images, 3,000 licensed music tracks, voiceovers, 40 professional fonts, high quality videos, and 1 saved brand. And then we have the Professional Plus, which is $39 per month. And the account is for up to 3 users. We can add up to 3 users to that account. We can license to resell business 30-minute consultation videos with a per expert, multiple saved brands, upload your own fonts, and 100 million plus premium licensed photos and videos from Getty Images. Simply put, I am going to stick with the free plan. To get in, I just have to add my email address and password. Now I have to select the purpose of using this application. So I am going to select this for personal use. And boom, here we go. So over here is the dashboard. As you can see over here on the left side, you will have all of your options right here, like all your templates, new templates, popular templates, and then the types of templates. And if you look on the right side, you will have a search bar here from which you can search. You will have about our templates, Amazon, promo, holiday list, testimonials, and many more if you scroll down, others, and then over. So let me show you how it looks. We're going to go with the birthday one, so we'll go ahead and click on the birthday card, and we're going to choose this template right here. It's going to create the project online, and we're going to be editing this project online, so over here we can upload photos and videos from the device to start customizing the template. So I am going to select one file from here and upload it. Start editing it out if you want to. Go ahead, simply click over here, and you can rotate it from here. You can scale it and change the image here and fix it in the right position. Now let's remove the extra material simply by clicking on it and then hit the bin icon here. If you look on the right side, you can see options like Stock, Pro, and Teams. You can choose the media type of your choice, and then you can choose the ratio from here with horizontal, square, and vertical options. Let's scroll down and have a look at the stock variety. On the left side, you can find different options here, like you can add elements. Just scroll down and choose if you want to add. With this text tool, you can add different text styles. And you can change the background color by clicking on this button. Right here, you can go with this orange color. Then you have the change layout option. You can even change the entire layout of it as well. Once you choose, let's play the video to see how it looks like. Now let's go over the design settings option to design the whole video. The first option is themes. You can choose the theme of your video from here, any one that you like more. Right now, I am going with this. You can add the brand from here and then the font style from here. Form the variety of styles, and then you can select the font size of the text from here. Also, change the text color and line accent order. If you move further, you will see other options, like your ability to increase or decrease the size of subtitles and the text color and accent of the subtitles. And if you scroll down, you will see the option to change the text style of your choice. I am going to select this one. Let's have a look at the other features, like click on Video Settings. And you will see the different video styles. You can choose what is most suitable for your video. I am going to click on it to see how it looks like. When you are done with all this, you can save the video by simply clicking on Export in the upper right corner. That's all about how you can use Animoto Video Editor. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.